Man, I can't believe that Antonio still hates me just because I threw a rock and a slushie at Kalu's computer just because Kalu didn't do his chores last month. He should know that is an invalid reason to start hating me. What should I do to get him to like me again? I just know what to do. I am going to brainwash him to start liking me again. Ha 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 ha. All right, I've made it to Antonio's house. Now let's go ring his bell. Goris, what are you doing here? I'm here to do this. Wait, what are you doing to me? Oh, it's just you, Goris. That's right, you don't have to be afraid anymore. It's nice to finally see you coming over to my house after 3 months. You know what, how about me and you go to Texas Roadhouse for some lunch together? Great idea, let's go there. Oh my god, Goris, I can't believe you brainwashed me to like you again. That's it, go home right now while I call Goris about this. No 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 no. Goris, we can't believe you brainwashed Antonio to like you again.
And for this, you are grounded until the kids go back to school. Go to your room right now.